Hey guys, here's an installation video of the ASV C5 levers on a Gen 2 Hayabusa. Part number CRC545KBC for the clutch lever, and for the brake lever it is BRC520KBC, and these are the Black Bicolore colored levers for both of them. The tools you'll need are a 4mm Allen wrench, size 4 Allen wrench, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, 11mm socket, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the clutch lever. So the first thing we have to do is use the 10mm socket and remove this bolt here. There's the bolt. Then we're going to get the 8mm socket and remove this bolt up here. And hold the lever so it doesn't fall out, and remove it. Next, we're going to do the same thing for the brake side, 8mm and 10mm. First, you use the 10mm on the bottom. Get that out, then switch to the 8mm for the top. And hold your brake lever when you remove this bolt so it doesn't fall out. Okay, so we're going to install the clutch lever first. You do have to assemble some stuff on this. So there's a couple bags in here. There's the CRC545P2, the pad stop large for Suzuki motorcycles. That's the one we're going to be using. There is this kill tab. All these other stuff we won't be using, so that's just junk. All we need is the Suzuki pad stop large and the 2 screws that come separately in another bag, but I put them in the same bag. Here's the clutch lever. We're going to be putting the pad stop right here where those 2 screws are. Pad stop, put the 2 screws, and screw it in right here. With a Phillips head. Tighten them down. And when I got these, there's a bolt here that holds the lever in place, or the spring, and this was pretty loose actually. See? So what we need for this is the size 4 Allen wrench and the 11mm socket. So we're just going to tighten that down. Alright. And now we go to install it on the lever, on the clutch side. Okay, so while I was assembling and installing the clutch lever, I did forget that in the OEM clutch lever, there is this little cylinder that pops out that you have to swap in as well. So I'll remove this one-handed since I'm holding the camera. There, it's this little cylinder. Then you just pop it right in the new one. And you want to turn where the hole is, because that's where you slide the clutch thing in. So we'll be using the same bolts from the old lever. You're gonna put the clutch lever in here. And this knob goes in the hole here. Then you stick the top screw in, and we're going to tighten it down. Then use the same bolt on the bottom with the 10mm. Yeah, that's tight. And check your lever. Yep. And you can adjust it just by turning this knob. That's it. Easy. Now we'll go back to the brake side. Here's the brake lever. Really easy. Just putting in those 2 bolts again. No assembly on the brake. We'll just line this up. Put the top bolt in first. Tighten it down, then switch to the 10mm. Screw that other nut on the end, the bottom.
Can't really see the bottom.
Down. All right, and that's it. test that it's working. No play from the where you tighten down the bolts, and that's it.